see that right
Welcome
now.
to DIY Solar and Wind.
I've been on enough commercials and stuff. You guys go ahead.
I don't know where we're at. I'm
In
on a road trip.
Standish,
We're in Standish,
Standish, Michigan.
And this is Kim. This is his solar business. Would you like to tell us about your
Yeah,
business?
my partner. Yeah, we have a DIY wind and solar, Standish, Michigan. But we are actually all surrounding areas, Tri-Cities. We're hitting and trying to bring in green to this area.
It's not always easy. It's not always affordable. My thing is one solar panel at a time, as I can afford with my budget. And Kim has all the information that we need to know. And when he creates a YouTube channel soon,
I'm gonna get to it.
then you guys, I'll leave a link down below that you guys can get involved and learn how this works. And if you're in the local Michigan area, you can come pick it up and don't have to pay for shipping and handling.
I agree.
And my motto is, have a nice sunny day.